Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find most of the games in Google Play Store on Motorola Moto G14. And to do this, let's launch our Google Play Store, and here we can look for the game like Call of Duty. As you can see, there's an icon for it, but when we click on that, nothing happens. And to fix this, let's go back to the homepage of Google Play Store, click in the top right corner of the screen on your avatar and go to the settings. Enter Family, Parental Controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely with a switch, or go for Apps and Games, insert the PIN code and click on OK. Increase PG to at least 16 and be sure to save the settings afterwards. Now when we go back and look for the game again, it's right here and we can either play or install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.